What's up guys, Chadwick.cervinski back with you here, and again testing another tune from last weekend just to make sure that everything is repeatable. This is the 5-inch Reverb running 4S, 1300 pulse, 2207, 24 kV motors, 30 amp Speedix ESCs, Bardwell F4 flight controller, and this one actually has the RS2K 3.3 build on it, so I'm running Kalman on this. Everybody should know that. Biggest thing here, testing out the tune, testing out the video, and kind of playing around with my rates a little bit in this flight. No question about it, my skill progression is not, I just haven't progressed much at all when it comes to flying. You know, I like doing freestyle, but pretty much when I get something like the Reverb here that's new and shiny, I get pretty nervous and don't want to wreck it and tear it up and everything. You can see what I'm thinking about doing here, and I kind of chicken out, and then I swing around here and actually take the low road and actually hit a gap at distance here. I saw all the mud down there and I'm like, oh man, I don't want to go fishing this thing out of the mud. But I did it, and since I did it once, I'm like, well, I'll just go ahead and do it again. But besides checking the video and posting this, you know, no tricks here. This is just straight up GoPro, 1080p 60, shot and flat, neutral, white balance, and all that kind of stuff, and then just kind of natural color correction done in Premiere Pro. Just make it look as natural as possible. You know, you see me here like just checking out on that power loop, and if you saw my one live stream putting the XSR back into the Martian 2, and then I put a camera back into that Betaflight 2.3, basically just so I can tear those things up and practice to learn how to do some more moves and build some confidence and all that kind of stuff. I've spent so much time tuning for smooth video, and now I can get all this cool looking video, in my opinion, and it, you know, starting to get kind of repetitive. Everybody's seeing pretty much the same thing, like me doing some split S's and kind of zooming around the yard and everything like that. But it's a testament to what this thing is, just super fun to fly, even on 4S. The tune is just perfect because it flies great at range, and here close in, you know, I have lots of good control. Got a couple China Hobby Line 1500 4S's coming, so that will give me a little bit more punch and a little bit more power on this thing. The Pulse batteries are a little old and used now, so they don't have as much power underneath them as I'd like. But that's just something that I want to work on. Definitely going to work on the progression and making the video look good. Just having fun too. It's great that it warmed up enough here and the snow's all gone, so that way I can get out and fly. Really bad there for a while, like everybody knows. You know, everything, half of us in the United States were like on lockdown forever. So, but the Kalman stuff still works pretty good. I think I'm probably gonna flash this back to 3.2.4 or something though, just because again the nerves are kind of getting to me, because it is an alpha build. It shouldn't be a problem, but just in case, I'll probably go back. You know, just again, the confidence thing. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the flight.